Hello, hey, I just bought a blue Q51 phone. I was shopping around on Amazon, and what I discovered was cell phones are very, very expensive. But this phone is relatively inexpensive. It doesn't have the perks like a camera or Wi-Fi, but I think it's going to be a good basic phone. I certainly didn't want to spend the money for those perks, and this was the option available to me. I was kind of excited by the fact that it has dual SIM capacity, which just might come in handy when we go to Europe. Anyway, I'm waiting for the phone to arrive. It's still a few days out, so when it gets here, we'll give it a good look over and check it out.
Okay, so the box got here. My package didn't take very long to ship, about 3 days. We'll open it up and see what's inside. Well, there's the product package. We'll see what's in here. So we got the power adapter, USB cable, and earbuds, and the battery, and the phone, and the owner's manual. Phone's kind of small, more so in my hand. I went ahead and I got a couple of our other phones just to give this a little bit of a comparison to how small it is compared to other phones. You can tell just by looking at it in my hand, it's pretty small. Okay, so I put my SIM card in. I added 8 gigabytes of memory. I charged up the phone. It's working just fine. It's working well with my T-Mobile SIM card. No problems there. The menu system's pretty straightforward. Nothing too terribly difficult about that. I was looking for a simple phone, something basic, and that's what I got. I feel good about the purchase, and if you're looking for an inexpensive phone, I would recommend this phone. No issues whatsoever. I've been sending text messages to my daughter and making calls and receiving calls, and everything's working just fine. So I recommend it.